Do you want to track if your player is online or offline? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that in Godot. At first, add a control node. Add a timer node, then add a HTTPRequest node. Also add a label node to see the outputs. Now change the wait time to 5 and enable auto start. Now add a script to the control node. Alright, now just drag and drop your timer and HTTPRequest nodes into their slots in the script. Then select the HTTPRequest node, go to the Node tab, and connect the request completed signal to the script. Inside the check internet function, the HTTP node tries to reach Google. If the request fails right away, we assume there's no internet connection, and update the label to say you are offline. Finally, when the request finishes, Godot automatically calls this function. This runs right after the website sends a response. If the response code is 200, which means the request was successful, we update the label to show you are online. Inside the ready function, we link the timer's timeout signal to our check internet function, so it keeps checking the connection whenever the timer runs out. Now, if we play the project, it shows that we're online. If you disconnect your internet, the label will automatically update to offline. And that's how you can easily check and display your internet connection status in Godot.